I got a Whirlpool here and get it to diagnostic. If I remember correctly, it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. All right. All right. So let's. So F5E3, and as you can see, we got the error message, and that is for the lid lock. The lid is not locking, so we're going to do a video on how to replace that. Now, pretty straightforward. You do have that 3, and then you do have to remove these screws here. Once those are out, you'll have access here. You'll have the board. You don't have to remove the console at all unless you really want to. I'll show you how to do it if you want to. I'll include that. And then you can unplug the harness, which is inside. You'll have a little tab, like a wire tab. You want to push that down. And once that's pushed down, you're going to come over and you're going to pull the front forward. Then you're going to raise the top, and you're going to have, I think, 2 Torx 19 or 15, and along the edge here you're going to have some clips. You do have to take those clips or pull the harness out of those clips, and then that's pretty much it. Once you're free, you just pull the other end from under here, and that's it. And then you're good to go again, and we'll clear the error code, or just put the unplug the machine, put it in for service, and that's it. All right. All right, so you do have the switch back there.